everyone, you know who these are. It's your man Wilfred Samer Glamus for those who don't know me. For today's vlog, we will talk about some interesting and exciting topic. It is about the elements of communication. But before that, let's talk about communication. Do you know what is communication? Let's find out. Communication is simply the act of transferring information from one place, person, or group to another. Every communication involves at least one sender, a message, and a recipient. This may sound simple, but communication is actually a very complex subject. Communication elements. These are the 9 components of basic communication process. Context. Firstly, context is the prime component of every communication process. Context represents the setting in which communication happens or takes place. Sender. The sender is a person who sends the message in contrast to the receiver. A sender makes use of symbols to convey the message and produce the required response. Encoding. The process of conversion of the subject into symbols. Encoding seems similar to the sender and also contrasts to decoding. Message. Message seems like a key idea that the sender wants to send to communicate with the receiver. So, it must be ensured that the main objective of the message is clear and understandable. This is the example of basic communication model. And now, let's proceed. Medium or channel. It is the way of exchanging or transmitting the message. Decoding. It is the process of translation of an encoded message into the ordinary understandable language in contrast to the encoder. Recipients or decoder. Recipient or decoder is a person for whom the message is intended, aimed, or targeted in contrast to the sender. Feedback is the main component of effective communication process as it permits the sender to analyze the efficacy of the message. It also helps the sender in confirming the correct interpretation of the message by the decoder. Noise. Finally, the noise is any type of distraction that interferes with the communication process. So those are the elements of effective human communication. I hope you've learned something today. Thank you and God bless. Peace out, everyone.